Minister Y. Kemchon stresses cooperation among government departments. Nupi Samaj demands withdrawal of liquor decision by October 10. And Governor Laganation hospitalized in Chennai. Hello, you're watching IS Primetime English News. Before we begin, IS News would like to remind our viewers to practice physical distancing, hand hygiene, wear masks, protect yourself and get vaccinated to ward off COVID-19. I'm JESSIA OINAM giving you the news in detail. World Architecture Day, Manipur Mahut Minister Yumnam Kemchon has stressed on the need of cooperation among all government departments to help expedite the development of the state. Kemchon was participating in World Architecture Day observation at City Convention Center in Imphal on Monday. The program was organized by Manipur Architects Forum on the theme Architecture for Well-being. He stated that architects play a key role in all-round development of a nation. He, however, said that the public need to use all infrastructures in a proper way. Kakching Assembly Constituency MLA M. Rameshwar also attended the event. In his speech, the MLA said that Rs 1.5 lakh given to the beneficiaries of Prime Minister's Housing for All is a meager amount, adding that the beneficiaries have to start construction of house under this scheme with their own money and hence this should be discontinued. He also called upon all concerned to stop such policy. A book manual of Architectural Practice of Council of Architecture India was released on the occasion to mark the 50 years of the Architect Act 1972. Administrative Officer of Council of Architecture India, Deepak Kumar, spoke on protection of title and style of architect and architectural firm at the event.
Labi thongal but ising do sen ginaba poti kisu thedo khandade man labi thongala kanda thangna ba yumdong thumdori ni drainage kana na pai ge mo haira kanda mo na pai bra mo ta mo hangi mo no parandre then water resource na pai bra na hangi ra water resource parandre so somewhere something is wrong in our concept and sipunna onthong bina bam sangi ni thum thamjage phajaba yum phajaba lekai phajaba society haisi architect singi achoba 다이다만이 간절하가수 아이코이 뿐나 그냥 다미나다가 되는 몸을 해다래 아키텍스나 바자라 보도가수 몰라 눈이 매암도 몰라 리는 것이 아이코이 뿐나 나미나시 온라인 레지스트레이션기 포럼다 다가 레지스터드 when we on 아이도이 다모 아이가가 중발이 사나저라니 this brought me a letter to accordingly 또 아투고 마담다 신호이거도 보내도 땅을 간다우시 하이라니 탐저를 간다 그런 못 하겠어요.
Nupi Samaj has called on the Manipur government to withdraw its decision to lift liquor prohibition by October 10. It said that in case the government failed to fulfill the deadline, they will launch intense agitation from October 11. Nupi Samaj advisor K. Indu announced this during a sit-in protest held at Mayang Langjing Community Hall today. It demanded immediate revocation of the state cabinet decision to lift prohibition. The protest was jointly organized by Nupi Samaj and Mayang Langjing Semgat Sagatpa Nupi Lo. She criticized the government for taking the decision to legalize sale and consumption of liquor in the state. She called the decision an immature decision. Indu said the decades-old efforts by the women folk have been rendered meaningless by a sudden decision of the government. She also expressed dismay over the indifferent attitude shown by the government towards the sustained agitation launched by the women folk against the move to legalize liquor in Manipur.
Manipur Katin Kaya Sing the Tunga Hongkong, Imagine Putamanga, you legalize the Baziani, the Maka, and the Constitution. I thought now you can cancel the democracy with the Mongiam Santi Wina, Sarka, the D, as the brothers fall up with the Maka, and send the Libani, Masi, Marapa, Manipur Mapam, could you make the Tuna? There was a town, Horavani, a girl to the Lamena Tanka, Havadi Manuda, restaurant for the Bama, emergency, the command below. I don't know whether I say Manipur, the lady Banipimia, Marapadi, Lam Punzela, Akanda, Kuzana Matamsela, Masi, the Lenas in the Stagnas in Ba, understand in the Makarayagi, Punzela, and Telakani Haba, Sarkazi, like the Kamzeri, Manipur, the lady Ba, Marapadi, Manga, here was a Tapmanana, I mean, Narada, Akanda Kuzana, Tamsena, the same Sabak,
Governor of Manipur and West Bengal, Laganation, was admitted to MGM Hospital, Chennai on October 1st with complaint of chest discomfort. He is in observation at the cardiac care unit of the hospital and is now stable. Further intervention of coronary angiogram with revascularization is planned on Wednesday as per a release from the Manipur Governor's Secretariat. One person tested positive for COVID-19 in Manipur in the last 24 hours. The state now has 11 active cases of coronavirus, according to a release from the state COVID-19 Command Control Room today. It said 5 persons recovered from the disease in the last 24 hours. The recovery rate has increased to 98.46%. The case tally stands at 1,39,807, while the death toll remains at 2,148. Meanwhile, India logged 2,991 new coronavirus infections, taking the total tally of COVID-19 cases to 4,45,97,498, while the active cases dipped to 36,126, according to the Union Health Ministry data updated on Monday. The death toll climbed to 5,28,701 with 8 fatalities, which includes 20 deaths reconciled by Kerala. The data updated at 8 a.m. stated. The active cases comprise 0.08% of the total infections, while the national COVID-19 recovery rate increased to 98.73%. A decline of 1,318 cases has been recorded in the active COVID-19 caseload in a span of 24 hours. Wangkai MLA Thangjam Arun Kumar said all local clubs should be developed while taking into consideration the major role played by them at the local level. He was speaking during the 55th Foundation Day celebration of World United Youth Club Wangkai Angom Laikai in Imphal East on Monday. World Club President R.K. Gokul Chandra, retired Superintendent of Police, and Bizoy, Imphal West Deputy Commissioner T.H. Kiran Kumar, 32BN CRPF, Loktak Project Commanding Officer Hidam Ranjit, Bishnupur District Additional SP, Law and Order Satyam Takhelambam, and Dr. Chandragupta Chongtham were present at the function. MLA Arun Kumar further said that local clubs have been tirelessly working towards producing good sportspersons, besides providing coaching classes to students. They have also been playing a major part in the effort to eradicate substance abuse. As part of the celebration, a gym for World Club and a waiting shed for the locality were inaugurated by MLA Thangjam Arun Kumar.
Manipur gidi lekai lekai de leiriba club sing si yam maroi ade koi leiriba club sing si yam active boiba yam strong oina leiba ma yam darka lei maram di kai noi kanda koi any issue ma la kanda club na mamang loin ta ga tabak to ngak tani chawka tharangi werisu aduga lamdam si gi any chobi issue ma la chu madu bu thengna ba se leiriba club tu gi members sing aduga natraga mera pai bi sing haiba samsthan sing sana yam loin thengna bani na club ki role tu ki matik chawi lekai amada karimba koi gi development ma pa ma ga su club ki support yaw dragati labor representative ko na kemda to ngamde ko thaba ma toge karin support thorangi warasu ama leresu club isina loina anbada club ki support ni ta ka lesi club ki mateng yaw dana kain ta active ne thabak to ma pung pha bangam.
Laishram Salona Devi, a Class 6 student from Manipur, has been awarded as the first prize winner in the first edition of the Dettol Hygiene Olympiad quiz competition held in Mumbai on Sunday. She is among the 6 students who won the first prize awards from across the country. A check of 50,000 rupees was handed over by Bollywood actor Amitabh Bachchan during the program held at Yes Raj Studio in Mumbai. A resident of Thanga Kunjem in the Bishnupur district, Salona is currently studying at Little Flower School in Imphal. She is the daughter of L. Nandakumar Singh, Director Education S of the Manipur government, and N. Sonika Devi. In September, Reckitt, the world's leading consumer health and hygiene company, launched India's first and biggest hygiene Olympiad under its title Banega Swasthya India initiative. The program, which reached 24 million children aged between 5 to 15 years across 8.50 lakh schools in the country, was aimed to access awareness of hygiene practices through an exam. The contest, which began on September 7, was held online and offline. With an aim to prevent spread of dengue in Mori town in Teknopal district of Manipur, the United Committee Manipur UCM on Monday organized an awareness program on dengue for the inmates of 4 orphan homes at the border town. The committee also distributed mosquito nets to them. On the occasion, UCM President Joy Chandra Konthaujam underlined on the importance of avoiding mosquito bites, controlling mosquito breeding grounds, and maintaining cleanliness.
Alang yokpa matamda niyom sumna hailidi mafum masida makoigi chaba thakba heteng hygienic oiba tumba mafum chana thakba adu toilet retin kan nana thamaga makoibu nungai na hinganba masi tangai phade maram aduna form tawriba singna makoigi wakhallon bu aikoi taseng na thagali tawbudo alang sing loiba matamda alang sing thamba matamda makoigi wakhallon da hauribdo madigi hena Like you come to the waiter, to the South of the waiter, which are better to the waiter of Mukogi, Mupang and about Mukoikan soup, I do more for the Jitaba Masa, I do winning the day, more for where you go using the Masamani Kalaga, Alang Sing, Mapum Pan and send you, Haina, United Committee Manipur, and home for using the Africa.
Former State Secretary of Manipur State Communist Party of India, CPI, and former MLA Moirangthem Ibohol died this morning. He was 100. Ibohol, also known as close associate of Jananeta Hizam Irabad, was also a national leader. CPI Manipur State Council held a condolence meeting today and paid rich tribute to the departed CPI leader. Peace Award 2022 has been conferred Manipuri singer Konthaujam Bobin Singh. The award has been awarded to him in the field of social reformer through music and sports. The award was handed over to him on the occasion of Mahatma Gandhi birth anniversary, the father of the nation at Constitution Club of India, Rafi Mark, New Delhi. The function was organized by All India Congress Social Organization, New Delhi. Bobin is currently holding the post of Joint Secretary at Manipur Cricket Association. None Battalion Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter 22 Sector Assam Rifles and Inspector General Assam Rifle East organized an awareness lecture cum demonstration on Ayurveda workshop on Ajadi Ka Amrit Kal under Ajadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav on the theme Har Din Har Ghar Ayurveda for the locals of Makwam Tree village of None district to celebrate the 7th Ayurveda Day on the occasion of Dhanteras on October 2nd. The workshop began with an informative lecture on Ayurveda. The traditional Indian medicine remains the most ancient yet living traditions and has been successful in promoting its therapies with more research and science-based approach. Ayurvedic practitioners use a well-balanced, healthy diet, lifestyle changes, stress relief, and various herbal remedies to heal all sorts of conditions by helping to bring the body back into balance. The Ministry of Education on Sunday launched Yuva 2.0 Prime Minister's Scheme for Mentoring Young Authors, a program to train young and budding authors to promote reading, writing, and book culture in the country and Project India and Indian writings globally. Yuva 2.0 is a part of India at the Red 75 project, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, to bring to the fore the perspectives of the young generation of writers on the theme Democracy, Institutions, Events, People, Constitutional Values, Past, Present, Future, in an innovative and creative manner. This scheme will thus help to develop a stream of writers who can write on a spectrum of subjects to promote Indian heritage, culture, and knowledge system, a senior ministry official said. The National Book Trust, NBT India, under the Ministry of Education as the implementing agency, will ensure phase-wise execution of the scheme under well-defined stages of mentorship. Now it's time for a short commercial break. We will be back with latest news and updates. Keep watching IS News.
Midyeng Taminasi Pauchinjari, Kunipalak Supa Panthau Sanglen Laipung Halau Thongi Ilat, Lishingani Kunithoi, Melaki Noma Pan Pataki Talani Paupa, Halau Silon Ki Manung Janat Nipani Janpa, Yaipa Tau Jan Pipa Numit, Melaki Mapani Janpa, Laipa Popa Chechet October Mari, Luang Pungcha Anita Ki Manga Paupa, Yai Munakani, Yai Kitakani, Taipang Chapung Namang Yai Muna Pa Yauminasi. Melaki talani pan pa yum sa kaisa October mga lai khaithel ka kani thaugal phangminasi pauchen chari pa imalai sem inat loi sang nongpok chingu thong maitei laikon thalo sitpi lok seloi lamai ching Imphal nongpo.
Welcome back. You're watching IS Primetime English News. The Indian Air Force Monday formally inducted the first indigenously developed multi-role light combat helicopters LCH named Prachan into its fleet at its Jodhpur base in Rajasthan in the presence of Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. These helicopters are capable of destruction of enemy air defence, performing counter-insurgency operations, combat search and rescue tasks. Chief of Defence Staff General Anil Chauhan and Chief of Air Staff Air Chief Marshal V.R. Chowdhury were also present at the induction ceremony in the 143 helicopter unit at the Jodhpur base. According, the Defence Minister also took a sortie in the helicopter after the induction. In his address at the induction ceremony, Rajnath Singh said, "For a long time after independence, indigenous technology towards the development of attack helicopters was not given enough attention. As a result, the IAF had to depend on foreign origin attack helicopters. 5 persons died while dozens sustained severe burns when a fire broke out in a makeshift pandal erected for a Durga Puja celebration at Bhadohi district in eastern UP, about 280 kilometers from the state capital of Lucknow on Sunday late night. As per media, the fire broke out during the Aarti ceremony in Auroi town, said district officials. As many as 150 devotees were participating in the ceremony inside the pandal, which was made like the replica of a cave with only one exit. The ceremony was held to mark the 7th day of Navratri festivities or Saptami. According to Bhadohi District Magistrate Gaurang Rati, 3 boys aged 12, 10, and 8 respectively, and 2 women aged 45 and 48 lost their lives in the tragedy. Nearly 64 people suffered burns before they were rescued. The injured have been admitted to various hospitals. The condition of 22 people who suffered serious burns were said to be critical. The critically injured survivors were rushed to Banaras Hindu University BHU Trauma Center in Varanasi through a green corridor. Soon after receiving information that the victims are being brought to BHU Trauma Center, a green corridor to ensure hassle-free transportation of the victims, Varanasi Police Commissioner A. Satish Ganesh said. Manipur bagged 4 gold medals, 2 each from silver and bronze medal in the ongoing 36th National Games in Gujarat. With this, Manipur stands at 6th position in the medal tally with 6 gold, 3 silver and bronze medals. The gold medal from cycling was bagged by Laitonjam Ronaldo Singh in the men's 1 kilometer trial, and the second gold medal was secured by Bindyarani Devi Sorokhaibam in the women's 59 kg wet category. Bindyarani lifted a total of 194 kg, 83 in snatch and 111 kg in clean and jerk. The second position in women's 59 kg weightlifting was won by Poppy Hazarika of Assam, while the third place was won by Davinder Kaur of Punjab. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Minister Y. Camp John stresses cooperation among government departments. Nupi Samaj demands withdrawal of liquor decision by October 10. And Governor Laganation hospitalized in Chennai. That's all we have in this bulletin. Coming up next, we have IS Primetime Manipur News at 9 p.m. Till then, good night.